Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and make the marinade for the chicken. Half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon white pepper, at least 2 teaspoons teriyaki sauce. Two tablespoons soy sauce. And guys, this is the marinade for the chicken. Also guys, I forgot to put my cornstarch in. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Now guys, I'm gonna set this aside for about 10 minutes in the fridge. It's time to make the sauce for the chicken chow mein. 1/4 cup chicken stock, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon white pepper, also guys, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And whisk it again. And this is my sauce guys. Okay guys, now it's time to prepare my noodles. I gotta add me just about 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil to the water. And I'm using ramen noodles. This is what I'm using guys, ramen noodles. I'm using 3 of them. And this is 6 cups of water. And it's gonna boil for 3 minutes. Now guys, I'm gonna run some cold water over it to start the cooking process. Now it's time to work on the other ingredients. I have 3 cloves garlic, 1/2 of onion, white onion, 1/4 of cabbage, 1/2 of, okay, I'm using 4 stalks of onion. First I'm going to take the top off, set them aside, and use the green part of a scallion, cut them into about 1.5 inches. Guys, I'm gonna also grate on me a piece of ginger. I remove the chicken from the fridge about 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna put some olive oil on it. Just make it separate. Okay guys, I'm gonna use some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to saute my onion and my scallion. I'm not going to let this cook too long. Don't want it to burn or get too soft. Just to bring out the flavor. Also adding my garlic. Okay, this is enough. Now I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add in my cabbage. Carrots. And also my ginger. Now it's time to brown the chicken. Guys, just leave it like that and let it brown and then flip it over on the other side. You don't want to stir it or anything. My chicken is ready, guys. So I'm going to take it off, place it in a container. Now it's time for my noodles, guys. Dry, ready to place in the pot. Now I'm gonna add my sauté onion, garlic, and scallion. also add in the rest of the ingredients, the carrot, cabbage and celery. Time for the chicken. Wow, it's smelling good. It's time to add the sauce now, guys. My green onion, my scallion, I'm using 2 more tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, guys. And this is it, guys. It's done.